Hello guys, this is the new network player for Denon. This is DNP-2000NE. It's a long name. It has a featuring Ultra AL 32 for upscaling the audio signal. In front we have a headphone amplifier with adjustment of the gain. As well we have HDMI ARC to connect our television. Two outputs here, digital ones, and three inputs, digital ones, plus a USB DAC input to connect your laptop. And it has a Bluetooth two ways, one to receive and to send signal out SB form. We have fixed and variable outputs, the analog ones. Inside we have two transformers, one for the digital and one for the analog circuits. So there is a switching power supply as well for the Hughes platform and the Bluetooth, all these high RF signals, let's say, as Wi-Fi. So it's very well organized inside. It's high-end approach here, XMOS chipset for the USB DAC. So everything is good. Two capacitors for the power supply with 4 pins. This is the Ultra AL 32 platform, processing platform to upscale the signal, the digital signal, and to make it better. Here is a global look of the device inside. So we see the two transformers. This is the board, the Ultra AL 32 for the processing. There are 4 DAC ESS chips, 2 per side, two for variable output and 2 for the fixed output, 1 per channel. Here is the output stage. Symmetrical, as you can see, discrete components, nice capacitors. Everything is very well checked and rechecked here and tuned. Here is the fixed outputs with nice durable RCAs, and this is the variable output with regular RCAs. This is the chip, the DAC ESS 9018K2M. So it looks very good. The Hughes platform, you can control it with remote control with the Hughes app or with the web browser. It comes in this anniversary finish as well, the graphite one, to match. If you have the anniversary series components, you can match now with a streamer. That's a good news from Denon. But it comes in white and in a black finish as well. So guys, I think that this is it. It has a display in front. We had the first look. It looks good. Thanks for watching.